आज ही डाउटनट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Let's see the question. Offspring formed by sexual reproduction exhibit more variation than those formed by asexual reproduction because. So, the two keywords are sexual reproduction and variation is seen more in sexual reproduction compared to asexual. You have to tell what is the specific reason. The four options are given. Now, this is of the chapter reproduction in organisms. So, they are talking about sexual reproduction and variation. So, in asexual reproduction, first let's understand that there is comparatively no or little variation because it's only a single parent if you talk about, right? There is no scope for what variation in that. Identical copies are formed, single parent, and offspring is identical with what? The parent. This is the basic understanding of asexual reproduction. But when you talk about sexual reproduction, here there is involvement of two parents. So, two genetic components which will come together, undergo fusion, and then give the offspring. So, that is the reason for what the concept of variation coming into picture with respect to sexual reproduction compared to asexual reproduction. Now, let's see the options and get to our answer. First is saying reproduction is a lengthy process. Now, this is not a relatable statement at all. Both the procedures have their own time to be taken. It's nothing of that sort that it's a lengthy process, so variations are seen, and the asexual reproduction is a short process and so it won't be seen. No. Gametes of parents have qualitatively different genetic composition is absolutely right. There are two parents involved as we just saw. There's involvement of two parents. So two genetic components because two parents are involved. So of course there is scope of what? Variation. Third option is saying genetic material comes from parents. Till here the statement is right. But they are saying of two different species. No. When you are talking about sexual reproduction, it is associated with what? The reproduction is seen in same species. There is no different species concept because of which variation is the reason. Same species. And the last is saying, statement is saying greater amount of DNA is involved in sexual reproduction. Again, there is no concept of this correlation. That in asexual, the DNA utilization is less and in sexual it is more. So it will result in variation. No. So that is also not right. So our correct option is option B, the second one. So the correct answer is B, the second one. Hope you have understood and the concept is clear. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।